Hey there, Live the Adventure Club members. This is Claudia coming at you from Vancouver with the spring box unboxing in my backyard of all great places. That is brought to you by Explore Magazine. We're going to take a look at what's inside the spring box. It has a whole bunch of pretty cool outdoor products for you guys to enjoy as the weather gets better in the summertime, and Dr. Bonnie allows us to go further afield from our own backyards and discover the great outdoors in British Columbia. We're going to be using a lot of these fantastic products. We're personally going to be going camping on Vancouver Island, so let's take a look at what is in the box that we're going to be able to use as a family, including wonderful Explore Magazine, which I will look forward to reading, a brand new hammock, which I look very forward to setting up on our campsite on Vancouver Island to rest and relax. An awesome headlamp, which we'll always need in order to find the bathroom in the middle of the night. Awesome fire steel. I've used these before and they're truly fantastic for lighting up a quick fire, for a campfire. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this summer we will have a really good fire season and not have too many fires, so we can actually have campfires at our provincial campgrounds at BC Parks. And there's a whole whack of energy drinks to keep hydrated as well. And pièce de résistance for those cold nights in the mountains or by the beach. An awesome blanket that also doubles as a towel should you need one. So, wishing you a wonderful spring and start to summer as we head out into the great outdoors in BC. Don't forget that you can join the Live the Adventure Club at Explore Magazine online, and you can sign up and get a box for the summer, which is going to be sent out soon. Bye for now.